Hi, let me take you to one more interesting topic. Yeah, my name is Pranam Mehta. I am academic head of Plat Tutor. 2 days back, there was a court who have given Uber drivers some of the important rights, which I think has ripple effects on the different economies. So let us just understand this in detail. What this guideline talks about. Now, Uber drivers will be having some more benefits what Uber need to provide them. Okay. First, let us understand what is gig economy. Gig economy is all the people who are employed on Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, Dunzo. So these are the app-based companies who employs people on a basically what do you call on work basis. So that means when you book an Ola or Uber, so there is a person who is active, so he accepts your service and he delivers you the service. So that is what comes out of gig economy. Gig economy is this what is the manpower or the workforce which is dependent on this uh, what do you say from the app process. So that means through the mobile or whatever services you are taking. Okay, so complete gig economy of the UK, which was stated, comes out of 5.5 million, which is approximately 55 lakh people are employed, and there are some 70,000 drivers who are part of the Uber over there in the UK. Now, what this says is that there is going to be the worker status, that is national living wage. So if these workers are being given as the worker status, so what means is whatever is the minimum base hour of a worker over there, that has to be at least satisfied for the Uber. So that means in a particular day, if he has not got any work, so that means in the present context, so if the person has not serviced any of the customers, so he has not taken a customer A to point from point A to point B, he does not get paid. So imagine a complete day, there was a complete lockdown in certain part of the area and he has not been able to do anything. But still in that scenario, if he has to have some 8 hours of logbook, so in that scenario, Uber will be made mandatory to pay some of the hourly basis, which is defined by that government. So UK, you have hourly somewhere between $12 to $13 comes out to be minimum hourly charges over there. So that has to be given by the Uber. Now Uber is also going to take care of the holiday pay. So the way you find in the factories or some of the private companies, there comes out to be some of the monthly holidays which are given to them, which are paid. So in the present part, if a Uber driver does not log into a day, he does not get paid. So that is how Uber has a contract with them. But but if you look at, once this guideline comes into picture, you realize that there is going to be a certain number of days in a particular year. Out of 365 days, there will be 30 days which might be paid holiday for them. So that means they will get paid minimum according to the wage whatever is defined by that country. There is going to be sick leave. So that means if he is not well, he can avail those sick leave. There is going to be parental leave. So you can understand this is being practiced in the UK, might not be in India, but this might be practiced in the UK. And there is going to be pension also. This is going to completely take 15%, is going to, this 15% means that their complete life standards will increase by 15% what they are in present part. And why I'm saying that this is going to make big impact in the coming days, because Uber is functional global. Okay. Now this law is going to be replicated in other economies as well. So this is something story which you should know, and this is going to have ripple effect on the other countries as well. So like if you look at Australia having getting strict with the Facebook and Google for making them share the revenue on the or with the news publisher. In the same way, now other countries are also trying to understand that law. So in the same way, this UK law, which has been come into picture, so that is going to get replicated in India or other countries as well. So this is very important that you start capturing this from the day one. Okay. Thank you so much. In case if you have any doubt or any queries pertaining to this topic, please mail us at hello@cladtutor.com. In case if you find that this has added value to your knowledge base, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And do provide feedback to the comment section to improve us. Thank you so much. Good day.